Alright guys, this is the lesson for Wednesday, August 19th. It's going to be a very short screencast video for you guys that are at home, okay? Not a very heavy notes day. Those of you at home, we're then doing an Edpuzzle that will be located on your Google Classroom. So you'll be able to find that on Google Classroom so you can watch this video and then complete the Edpuzzle. Very simple bell ringer. What is the difference between latitude and longitude? One of our big things that we're covering today, though, will be the 5 themes of geography. Those 5 themes are location, place, human environment interaction, movement, and regions. We're going to go through each one now. Location, there's absolute location, which is expressed through latitude and longitude, or also through GPS. And there's relative location, so it's more general, saying something like Huntingburg is in southern Indiana. That's a general location. It's a relative location. It's not exact. Place is the second one. Just talks about land, climate, and people of a given place. The third one is human environment interaction. It's how people interact with and affect their environment. So essentially, it's how people adapt or change to fit their environment. For example, if you live in Florida, you're going to wear different clothes than if you wear in New York because the weather is different. So the people have to adapt or change. Movement would be how or why groups of people move. This can be all sorts of reasons. It could be geographical reasons. It could be the weather. And then any other reason that people might move. Jobs. Maybe they're trying to get away from something, move somewhere else. The fifth one, okay, fifth is regions. So it's essentially just how different regions are compared to one another, how the regions are different. So that is it for your notes for today. Then you're going to go on, you're going to do the Edpuzzle. That will be on Google Classroom. There's also a longitude latitude song that I'll share with you guys. Key terms for today, okay? Latitude, longitude, northern and southern hemisphere, equator, and prime meridian. Latitude is just a geographic coordinate that specifies the north and south position of a point on the Earth's surface. Longitude is a geographic coordinate that specifies the east-west position of a point on the Earth's surface. Northern and southern hemisphere, the half of a planet that is north or south of its equator. Equator is the intersection of a sphere's surface with the plane perpendicular to the sphere's axis of rotation and midway between the poles. And then the prime meridian. The meridian is just a line of longitude at which longitude is defined to be 0 degrees. Okay, there you can just see your lines. Okay, just on that map. Okay, once again you can see the prime meridian. You can see the equator. Then your exit slip for today is how useful was the Edpuzzle activity. So essentially, just how much did it help you learn more about the 5 themes of geography. Have a good day, everybody.